Good afternoon, students. I hope all of you are fine at your home. This video through this video I just inform you the introduction of the third year syllabus of semester 5th and semester 6th. See the paper titles of both the semester 5th and 6th with title of skill enhancement course and their paper numbers with their credit hours. See the silent feature of our course. This syllabus is also I will provide you on your WhatsApp group as well as in our Google Classroom. See the theory paper for semester 5th. Paper title is Technology of Indigenous Dairy Product, paper 12. Total marks evaluation is 50. Out of 50, the university has conducted 40 marks at the end semester exam and 10 marks for your internal examination in terms of your submission of assignment. So in this paper 4 main unit and each unit containing 4 subunits. Next paper for the same semester, 5th semester, is paper number 13. Title of the paper is Forages Production, Feeds and Feeding. The maximum marks of the third marks is 50 out of 50. 40 marks evaluation at the semester end by the university and 10 marks for evaluation in terms of submission of your assignment. In this paper also 4 unit and each unit containing subunits. See the 6th semester paper number 14. Technology of Western Dairy Products. Marking system is same, no change. Unit wise syllabus design, 4 unit and their subunits, so no change in here. Last paper of the 6th semester is 15th number, goat, sheep, goat, poultry and pig farming. Marking and unit same and subunit are also pattern also same. In addition to these 4 papers of the semester 5th and semester 6th, as you know, from in last year, in second year, you very well known about the skill enhancement course. So in this year, as that is third year, you also learn the 2 skill enhancement courses. This is the additional of the theory paper. So we will see the skill enhancement course paper. See the skill enhancement course third, because 2 papers you have to already done in the previous year. Semester 3rd skill enhancement course 1, semester 4th skill enhancement 2. Now 5th and 6th semester skill enhancement course 3rd section B. The title of paper is dairy byproduct and the total marks evaluation is 50, and which in this paper containing 4 units and every units containing subunits. So you don't worry about that, and you don't bother about the skill enhancement course 3rd as well as the skill enhancement course 4th for the 5th semester, 6th semester. I will provide you the every each unit and details via WhatsApp as well as our Google Classroom. As you know, I hope everyone send me your email ID through the Google form. Whenever I invite your email ID, you can check every time the email IDs. When I invite you on your email ID through Google Classroom, you can just open and join it. The Google Classroom containing BSc third year class, and the class contain every paper notes, their details, their videos, their tutorials, their PPTs and PDF materials are available. So you don't worry about that. I hope our college will be start very soon, but at the meanwhile I will provide you all the notes, video, tutorial, PPTs, PDF, doc files through our Google Classroom. See the now let's come on our skill enhancement course information. In this semester, the skill enhancement course 3, title of the course is dairy byproduct, or you can choose other paper, concentration of feeds and agro-industrial byproduct in animal nutrition. But I suggest in this current semester you will choose the dairy byproducts and maintain the record as per the previous year. And next 6th semester, another skill enhancement course in the B, under the B section, special milk and or poultry farming. So I suggest you refer the special milk and keep the record for the final evaluation. So I hope you understand the 4 theory papers plus 2 skill enhancement course. Now I will see you the 16th paper of practical number, paper number 16, and practical paper containing 15th exercise. All these exercises I will conduct in our laboratories when the college will be start. Next practical paper is 17. In this under this paper, 14th exercises, I provide you the sequence serial number exercises through the Google Classroom, and at the meanwhile till the college will start, you can just refer the or open the Google Classroom and download the content and complete your record book sequentially as per the paper number 16 and paper number 17 practical papers. So I hope all of you are understand this syllabus content. I will share you this syllabus in our WhatsApp group as well as the Google Classroom. So when I was start the next lecture, we will see the paper 12th for BSc 3rd year 5th semester 5th Technology of Indigenous Dairy Product. I will conduct your online class on classification of milk product. This is most important part because this is the base of the other 3 units, because the classification of milk product, if you know the how the milk is classified according to their different mode, different types, so you can easily understand the other 2nd unit, 3rd unit and 4th unit. So I will give you the information in the next video of classification of milk product, starter culture, fermented milk products, and kava and kava based seeds. I am trying to share the next video through PowerPoint presentation for better understanding. So let's hope all of you are stay home and stay fit. Don't move anywhere outside from the home without any emergency work. Thank you students for watching this video very carefully. Goodbye.